75th Independence Day celebrated across the Twin Hill districts of Karbi Anglong. Good morning viewers, you're watching Karbi Anglong Live Morning News with your host Jerbon Kilingpi. And now let's look into the news in detail. Along with the rest of the states, the 75th Indian Independence Day was celebrated across the Twin Hill districts of Karbi Anglong here on Sunday. The DNLA 36 hours shutdown had almost no effect in the district. In Bokajan, the 75th Indian Independence Day program was held at several places. In the morning, Bokajan SDO Civil Anip Kumar Brahma led the program, which began with hosting of Country's flag, where tribute was paid to the freedom fighters of the country. Following this, the Bokajan SDO inspected the Independence Day parade contingent. The Grand Day inside Hauraghat MSC constituency was held at the Hauraghat Block Playground. The event commenced with hosting of the tricolor flag by Hauraghat Block BDO Jiljili 1000. The BDO was accompanied by ADC Amrita Prabha Das and was attended by students of Hauraghat Sankardev Vidyalaya School who presented national anthem followed by parade by Hauraghat APBN personnel. In addition to this, Karbi Anglong Block Board Chairman Jornel Ronghang, Hauraghat Municipal Board Chairman Protap Hendik, Hauraghat Constituency VDC Chairman Ganesh Enghi, Nomati VDC Chairman Dharam Singh Kro, Sankardev Vidyalaya School Principal Rupa Devi, PHE, Medical Department staff and several people of the area attended the program. On the other hand, the 75th Independence Day program under the Chintong constituency was held at Sabuda. Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council EM Prodip Rongpi attended the program as chief guest, while several local leaders and individuals were also present at the event. Assam police personnel of the Sabuda BOP also provided their support to the celebration program. In Dongkamukam, the program was held at Rongkhang Cooperative Lamps office and was organized by Labor Union. The event was commenced at 7 a.m. with hosting of Country's flag, which was led by Lamps chairman Mongol B. Similar program was also organized at Langhan LP School Playground. The Independence Day celebration program was led by Manav Kramsa and was attended by several numbers of people of the area. In Phelangpi, the 75th Independence Day program was held at the newly opened Hindustan Kendriya Vidyalaya School, which began with hosting of nation's flag at the hands of Matihola SGB Ajit Marak, who was assisted by Purvotar Hindustani Sanmelan Secretary SP Rai. In addition to this, Kheroni Police Station OC P. Kalita, GB Dhonira Mingti and West Karbi Anglong VDP President Bulesh Inghi were also present at the event. Similar event was held in Dolamara Municipal Board Office, Malasi Hospital, BJP Dwarbaguri Mandal Office and Dolamara Police Station among others, and Jambili NGO celebrated Country's 75th Independence Day in Langchiting on Sunday. In the Independence Day celebration held at Dipu, KAC CM while addressing the people made the declaration. He said that the step is taken to expedite development in the areas of West Karbi Anglong sharing border with Meghalaya. After Daithor, Dolamara, Samilangso, Mancha and Phuloni, Umlapher is the 6th town committee newly declared by the KAC. Local MAC Prodip Rongpi is all praises to the decision taken by the CM. He had conveyed his gratitude to the CM on behalf of all the people of Chintong constituency.
Today, on this 75th Independence Day, I, on behalf of the people of Chintong constituency, convey my thanks and gratitude to our Honorable CEM, as she has declared a town committee at Umlapher in my constituency. Thank you.
Anand Terang from Bokajan, Harsing Rongpi from Hawarkehat, Vicky Bay from Dongkamukam, Mohan Teron from Phelangpi, Subhas Terang from Langchiting, Arjison Rongphar from Dolamara and Daniel Inghi from Hamren for Karbi Anglong Live. In a tragic road accident which took place on Sunday, one person was killed on the spot when his bike bumped a roadside tree. The incident took place in Silunijan under Borpotar police station. Here's a report. The horrific accident took place while the biker coming from Silonijan was heading towards Bokajan. According to onlookers, the accident took place after the rider lost control at a curved spot along the National Highway 39 road due to excessive speeding. The biker was killed on the spot while his friend at the back was also seriously injured due to massive impact when a speeding bike with the registration number AS05F9967 hit the tree. The victim has identified as Bitupon Dwara, son of Dharmendra Dwara of Kowajan in Golaghat district. Subhash Terang along with Anand Terang's report from Bokajan for Karbi Anglong Live. That is all we have for today. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live and have a great day.